W day, I didn't take a single trade today, but that is what makes me profitable. And yes, a lot of people think that you need to take a trade every single day to become a profitable trader. No, that's not the case at all. We take the best, leave the rest. We wait, and if our levels don't hit or they hit very slow and we don't get in, then that's it, right? But we're waiting for the best, leaving the rest. I had a couple levels today. I had AMAT from earnings, that 160 downside never hit, so then we can't take anything there. We had UNH, that 310 Warren Buffett news, never hit. We had Tesla, potentially that 342 or 350, that never hit. It never got to the upside. We had NVIDIA, but I know NVIDIA is not moving. That 186, that's what I was waiting for. I'm not really interested in taking NVIDIA anyway. I had SPY, that 647 upside. Downside was a little tricky just because we were in the same range as yesterday, so it's not as high probability. And then QQQ, I was waiting for either 581 or that 577, 576. Now 577 broke a little too slow, so I wasn't able to catch that. So then I just left 576. And as you guys can see, we're just back in the middle area right here. We never really broke. Right now, at the time of the recording, it's 10:45. So now it's getting close to my cutoff time, around 10:30, 11 o'clock. But this is what keeps me profitable because I'm able to stay disciplined, not forcing anything. And I'm just waiting for the best, leaving the rest. And that's what a lot of people get wrong. And they're trying to force trades, trying to trade every single day. No, like a lot of people would be more profitable if you guys just really just sat back and before you took a trade, all you said to yourself was take the best, leave the rest, take the best, leave the rest. Don't try and force anything. Don't try and just to make money, right? It's not how that works because that's how you get trading wrong, right? If you just take a trade just to make money, you're trading it based off your money and your emotions and not what the chart is telling you. So therefore, I didn't take a trade today. I think it's more impressive for the people that are able to sit on their hands, be patient, wait for the best and leave the rest than the people that trade every single day unless there's a setup that happens every single day. And we had a great week. No losses and all winners this week. The winners are able to compound off each other because we didn't take a loss, right? If we took a loss, we would start to take away from those profits for no reason unless the loss actually had a very nice setup. A lot of people are like, oh, I'm up this much, so I can just give back a little bit. There's no point of that, right? I'm going to take the best and leave the rest every single time. And if I do take a loss, it's going to be on a very, very nice setup that had a very high probability. So I'll see you guys Monday.